So this is going to be my first video doing e-waste recovery, and I have I'm going to start off with an Emerson remote and this Anker two-way powered monitor. I have no idea what that is. It's made in Canada. So, let's see. There's two screws here, one here and one down in here. One of my big inspirations for this, kind of getting into this, was a YouTube channel called E-Waste Bin. Would highly recommend it. He's very knowledgeable. I need a standard screwdriver. And he's actually been doing this for years. He's in Australia. Seems like a really cool guy. Kind of like the medium. Oh, apparently there's 3 screws in here. There's going to be a lot of me undoing screws because, well, I don't have power tools. Look at this screw, man, it's so tiny. Alright. Ooh. A power board. A little scrap metal. There's the buttons you push. Plastic. Yeah, a little power board. Jeez, I'm struck in sweat. But yeah, the first, because I put a post on Facebook at this group I'm in, where if you have something and you want to get rid of it, you put it on there and people come get it for free. I put a post that, hey, I want to do this. Come pick up your e-waste for free. Don't charge you anything. And this makes the second call I've gotten. There is a little bitty chip here, but yeah, it's just basically a power board. Alright, oh boy, this one's going to be fun. Lots and lots of screws. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have scrapped out several TVs already. I just went essentially street scrapping here around Independence. Found some old TVs, some old electronics. But I kind of enjoy this, and if I can make a little side extra money. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then, and recycle old electronics. Help people out. Why not? So all it does is take up space for me. has a weight on the bottom of it. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So yeah, this is connected to this plug right here. Does it just drop down? 10. Like I said, I don't know how interesting this is going to be, and you can tell I'm already sweating profusely because it's like the middle of summer. Dad's working on a lawnmower. I want to do a little bit of this. Now that red lawnmower, or not red lawnmower, red vacuum cleaner I tested out, it came with a pack of bags. Works. So, yeah, I know, right? So, now, Nicole and I have a brand new, or well, for us, brand new vacuum cleaner. And this thing has a lot of screws. And the jumper I put on a charger, see if we can charge it up, which it doesn't seem to be doing. It's a die-hard. Come on, crazy thing. Oh, there's a lot of screws in this thing. This has the connected to the plugs because you can see them drop down there. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20 screws. And it just falls apart. Alright, let's see what we got here. Some lock nuts. Oh, sorry. I forgot what that's called. A little board. Some insulation. Ew. And a speaker. Another little power board. Ooh, 2 boards. Speaker, switches, and a trim. Oh boy. These things are all connected with hex bolts. Alright, let's see if we can get this. Fortunately, my dad has a lot of tools. That's tiny. It's like super tiny. Seems we have a winner. Yeah, this thing's like the tiniest one on this. 5/32. 16th? I don't know. I think it's a 16th. Four bolts here. Now I'm hoping that if I can keep this going out and collecting e-waste, then maybe, just maybe, I can make a business out of it. Seriously. Okay. Some plugs in here. Gotta get wire. There we go. Then maybe I can take and actually make some more money. Not gonna be rich, but hey. There's some plugs there. See, these are plugged in on that speaker here on the back side of it. A little bit of wire. Another cute little speaker. Some wire in here. Let's see if I can unplug it. There we go. And this all looks like it comes in from out here. Which, I don't know how. Let's see here. That's a bolt. Well, when I was a couple weeks ago, I posted that I stabbed myself in the hand. It was right here with a screwdriver, like these, because it was pretty much square on, trying to take this crazy thing apart. You can see right there. So I wanted to get into it, take a look at it. So I have that for you too. Well, those just lift off. And this plate here should lift off. Aha! Hex bolts. God. Now I did get a part-time job because I was fired from my last one, unfortunately, because lack of sleep and driving is a bad idea. Which I really enjoyed that job, but life. So now I start tomorrow with FedEx. So that'll probably be my primary source of income. And this will be secondary. And dials. Cool. Nothing really important on that. Let's take this screen out. There we go. Mesh screen. Not cool looking. And we have a 4-inch speaker. 4 bolts. And I do collect small speakers because once we can get all our stuff moved back here, I'm going to need them for the cosplay that I do. I have a Space Marine from Warhammer 40k 2 scale. There we go. Nice speaker. Plastic junk box. Don't need that. Don't need the nasty insulation. Put it back in there. Let's take the remote plastic, put it back in there. But I don't know. I don't ask. I just get rid of it. Alright, let's see. Put that in there. So we have a little bit of wire. Like I said, I don't know how interesting this is. I really don't. I do have a end for okay then. The ends of the wire that I can cut off because then you get more from it. More for the wire, I mean. Because I did ask a scrapyard about that. So now I have a Pepsi box with all these ends in it that can go for scrap metal. Clean the ends off. Put in my trash can of wire. It's actually cleaned wire. Well, it's dirty wire because it still has the outside insulation on it, like this coating, but it doesn't have the ends on it, which means I will get more for it. Take that. What I mean is like these ends, cut them off, throw them in the box. Well, like Ben says on E-Way Spin, every little bit helps. I do have a nice aluminum plate there. So, if I can... a screwdriver, but I can't. But yeah, this guy who gave me all this stuff, he contacted me yesterday to see about coming over and picking up his e-waste. I had some errands to run this morning, go help my grandpa out. So once I got that done, came home, sent the guy a message, and that's plastic. He's like, yeah. Gave me his address, went over there and picked it up. He was nice enough to help me load it in the car. Little switch, power switch. Is this aluminum? I don't know if this is aluminum. Yep, it's aluminum. Oh, aluminum plate, that's cool. It's aluminum. Aluminum bin. Let's see. Magnet. That's steel. Throw my steel scrap in. I cannot remember what these things are called. I even have a box for those. One of the reasons why I want to do this is because there is no, as far as I could find, e-waste disposal company in Kansas City. Like the company that actually comes out and does it for you. I might be wrong, but doing is taking these bolts off. Hello, baby. You okay? That's it. Didn't even notice there were screws in the back. Nuts, plastic washers. There. Plastic washer. This should pop off. Aluminum. There's no gold pins on here. There's the cheap boards. Another cheap board. I got 4 cheap boards. That's steel. So okay, that little scrap aluminum spring for steel springs. Some nuts and some bolts. Alright, well, thank you for joining me on today on Williams Adventures, and for watching this. Like I said, I have no idea if this is going to be interesting, if you're all going to be interested in it, you want to see more. If you do, like, subscribe, that's the best way to help, it really is. Comment on this video, and I'll post some more up on YouTube. Because I've never seen one of these, I'm pretty sure most people haven't. And I'm gonna go contact a buyer to see what they want to do about me bringing in boards to them. So, thank you, and let's go on an adventure and learn something new.